Big things are coming this summer, and if you're a fan of foldable phones, you'll want to pay attention. Samsung is all set to launch its next generation of foldables in July 2025, and the hype is already building around the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7. After last year's fairly minor updates, it looks like Samsung is swinging for the fences this time around, and the rumor mill is working overtime. One of the biggest talking points: thickness, or rather, the lack of it. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 might just snatch the crown for being the world's thinnest book-style foldable phone. Yep, you heard that right. Multiple leaks claim that when folded, the Z Fold 7 could measure a ridiculously slim 8.2 millimeters. To put that into perspective, it would be 0.7 millimeters thinner than the Oppo Find N5, which currently holds the title of thinnest foldable. Even more impressive, that would be a massive 30% reduction compared to last year's Galaxy Z Fold 6, which sits at 12.1 millimeters when folded. That's not just a small trim, that's a full-on transformation. Imagine carrying a foldable phone that doesn't feel like a brick in your pocket. For fans who've been dreaming of a sleeker, more comfortable fold, this could be the game changer they've been waiting for. Now, to keep things real, not everyone is convinced just yet. Earlier leaks suggested the Z Fold 7 would be around 9.5 millimeters thick, which seemed more believable. Some insiders are scratching their heads, wondering how Samsung can pull off a near-magic trick of making it this thin without compromising on the core things that make the Fold series so great: durability, performance, and of course, that beautiful big screen. Still, if Samsung does manage to deliver, this could easily reignite excitement around the Fold lineup, especially at a time when competition in the foldable space is heating up. And let's be honest, when you're charging premium flagship prices, you better bring the wow factor. But wait, there's more. According to Greek tech site TechManiacs, the Z Fold 7 isn't just about being slim and stylish. It's going to pack some serious firepower too. Based on their insider scoop, here's what we can expect. A 200-megapixel main camera, the same high-end shooter seen on the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. Qualcomm's brand new Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset under the hood. A 6.5-inch cover display for easy one-handed use, and a massive 8-inch foldable inner display for multitasking and media. And when opened up, the Z Fold 7 could be around 4 millimeters thick on each side, thinner than both the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Fold Special Edition. It's not just slimming down, it's getting a full-on fitness makeover. Of course, a little caution is always smart. Even though TechManiacs has a pretty good track record, their thickness claims are a little different from other usually reliable sources. So, while it's exciting to think about an 8.2 millimeters foldable powerhouse, we'll have to wait for Samsung's official announcement to see how much of this is reality and how much is wishful thinking. Meanwhile, for those keeping score at home, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 won't be Samsung's next major flagship to hit shelves. That honor goes to the Galaxy S25 Edge, rumored to be dropping on May 13. After that, it's full speed ahead for the foldables in July. In any case, it's clear that 2025 is shaping up to be a wild year for Samsung fans. Between a super thin foldable and new flagship phones on the horizon, there's a lot to look forward to. So, are you excited for the Galaxy Z Fold 7? Or are you waiting to see if Samsung can actually deliver on the slimness hype? Either way, July can't come soon enough. See you in the next one. Peace out.